Hi guys, we are back here with another vlog. Today I'm going to do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. With the package we are getting the device, pen nibs, USB cable, tweezers, earphone, a case, a clear view case, ejection pin, quick start guide, and warranty card, and also a USB power adapter. You will also get a USB connector with USB type A to USB type C. This device also has a fingerprint sensor on back of the phone. Size of the device is 6.4 inches, and we have two 12 megapixel cameras on back of the phone, and also has a 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera on front of the phone. In the front you can see the iris scanner, and S Pen of the Note 9 comes with remote control facility. This device has 120 GB memory and 6 GB RAM, and also stereo speakers tuned by AKG. Earphones are also tuned by AKG, and this device has a 4000 mAh battery, and also you can wirelessly charge the device. And also Note 9 is IP68 water and dust resistant device. So guys, these are the features of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So enjoy the rest of the video, and keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. Share the video.